from Triskell Seafood, and Neve's going to tell us a little bit about Triskell.
Yeah, so Triskell Seafood is a live seafood trader. We're based here in Sligo and Collooney. We export live seafood, particularly oysters, right across Europe, particularly in France and Holland. And we also have an equipment range that you can see around you here, which is specialist equipment for anyone in the aquaculture industry.
Neve, could you tell us a little bit what Triskell have done to lower their carbon emissions?
Yeah, in our industry, so in aquaculture, sustainability is really important. It's key in the business, and so that's very important to us. So we try and be as green as possible. We recycle all of our packaging. We have LED lights all around the building. We have all electric power, and we've recently had solar panels installed on the roof.
That's great, Neve. Could you tell us a little bit about the support you received for these projects?
For getting the solar panels in, it's been really, really easy from the very beginning. The Local Enterprise Office here in Sligo, who have always been great to us, they put us in touch with the Atlantic Technical University Contract Research Team, who gave us great support just looking at contracts, looking at the quotes that were coming in, explaining to us what we needed. That was fantastic, made it all super easy to understand and to get through. And then in the end, we went with a company called Solar Generation, who are based here in Sligo, and they've been really great to work with as well. Very helpful, always there to answer any questions. It's been really easy to do. The whole process has been great.